Standard 7, English Medium, Subject English. Lesson number 2.3. Abdul becomes a courtier. Father, who is a schoolmaster, is getting ready to go to school. Abdul. Father, to knowledge and erudition I aspire. To study hard and deep, books I require. Will you lend me a little gold? Books I'll buy and study to rise high in the world. Father. Only the first half of the month has passed, but alas, the money doesn't last. Great books and manuscripts are so expensive. They are treasures rare and exclusive. But from my school, I'll try to borrow books that will take you to a brighter tomorrow. Abdul. That will be great. How eagerly I wait. In the evening, when father returns. Abdul. How many books could you get? Oh, now my life will be all set. Father. I'm sorry, son. Couldn't lay my hands on even one. Chorus. Poor Abdul is sad and dejected, ponders why my wishes are thus rejected. Continues to do his daily course, reads borrowed books in tens and scores. An idea then crosses in his mind, to serve the rich and get paid in kind. Abdul approaches a rich merchant. Abdul, I am a poor student. Give me a chance to serve. Observe my work, pay only what I deserve. Merchant. You appear to be smart. Be my clerk. I'll pay you well if honestly you work. Some days pass. The merchant calls Abdul. Merchant. I am pleased with your work and loving care. You are indeed a gem quite rare. I'll give you a reward if your demand is fair. Abdul. May I now read the books in your store? Quench my thirst for knowledge. I need nothing more. Chorus. Days passed by. He learned and learned, gaining the knowledge for which he yearned. Philosophy, astronomy, Arabic and Persian. Abdul the scholar now is one in million. Will he come to the emperor's notice? Will he be given an honorable office? Friend. News for you, Abdul. The emperor has answered your prayer. The royal Murgi Khana is now under your care. Abdul. What the Murgi Khana for me, a scholar? Intellectual, sagacious, astute, made a poultry keeper? Never mind. The chance I won't refuse. It is an opportunity. I'll put it to good use. Chorus. Abdul worked with conviction, zeal and passion. The hens were given a new kind of ration. The birds seemed to be in the pink of health, but nothing was spent from the emperor's wealth. Emperor. How is that? Why are we spending so little on our hens? Have most of them died in the pains? Minister. No, your majesty. They are alive and well. The secret of their health only Abdul can tell. Abdul enters and bows before the emperor. Emperor. How come you spend so little on our hens? How do you nourish them and no expense? Abdul. Jahabana, your humble servant feeds them well. Food from the royal kitchen, if I may tell. But only scraps and shells and kitchen waste. That's enough for the hens. They relish the taste. It's good for their health. See how they thrive. Waste not, want not. That's my drive. Emperor. Interesting, young man. You seem to have brains. We put you in charge of the library for all your pains. Chorus. Oh no, not again. Only a keeper of books. And he wished to be a courtier. How sad he looks. Abdul. Never mind. I love books. I'll get down to work. I'll handle this well. My duties I won't shirk. After 1 year, the emperor is looking at the books in the library. Emperor. What? All these books have such expensive jackets. Surely they have cost a fortune. Silks, brocades and velvets. Abdul. No, your majesty. The expenses were none. Emperor. I can't believe it. Then how was it done? Abdul. Your majesty, I observed that the formal requests were sent to you in bags made of the fabrics best. When the papers were read, the bags were discarded. Why was the silk velvet brocade? I demanded. The royal tailors made the jackets. Nothing did the take. Each book was dressed for your majesty's sake. Emperor. You have a great merit. I realized much later. I am happy to announce, now you are my courtier. Chorus. Wit's brain and perseverance helped Abdul achieve his aim. Patience, determination won him great name and fame. Adapted from the story Enter Mulla Do Pyazza by Pratibha Nath.